Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Rotisserie.
We have rotisserie chicken with some broccoli and some potatoes. They're cheesy potatoes. And then Richie has some sauce on the side. This is some leftover Dame Dash sauce. I'm gonna tell you all the business. So family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you guys today. Remember I told you I'm gonna start over fresh next week when my hair is done, and by that time things will be done what we're doing in the house. Thank you for being so patient, family.
First lady rushing me to eat. Am I burning me? Family. Look at my eyes. Can you see them? I don't smoke weed. I'm just showing you.
Look into my eyes.
They're red, family. I know. My eyes burning me. I don't know from the other day my eyes been burning me. I don't know what's wrong.
He's sleepy.
It's burning me, family. It's like now. It's like. I can't even look at the camera because my eyes burn.
2 times spicy sauce, just a little bit. A little bit. But catch up on me.
You know what? Okay, they ain't stopping me from eating. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm lying to y'all. My eyes burning me. That's alright.
I think it's too good. Hush.
Excuse me? But look. But this one burned more than this one don't burn. This one is burning me. I'm trying to tell you, it's like I can't even look up into the light.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. You see?
You got the corona? Didn't that happen last time? That happened before.
Yeah, but it was 2 of them. This is just this one rolling. You're not supposed to be doing that.
I wonder what's wrong.
Broccoli, look. Dip, you don't want to dip sauce. You want to Dame Dash, you tell people that I look for Dame Dash.
Dame Dash sauce. I think you went. Once you get some good sleep, hopefully you'll be fine. It's hot enough? Why you let burn yourself so?
I should have. Alright, hurry. It's hot. Take these. Hot one. Wait.
You see the steam?
Hot man. Oh, they're hot, Papa. Put my little mix up right there.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh.
What happened?
Right off the bone.
You got a dark meat part? It look like you get breast. Family, look at this.
Listen, me love dark meat.
The cheesy thing. I get a little piece. Take this. Take this right here. Yeah, sorry. Take piece.
That's cheesy potatoes.
This a piece of, this a hefty piece of breast, you know?
I have the piece of breast, so you like it.
So I like the breast, man.
That's how someone like it.
What's good with y'all? We're back. We're back, you know?
That's how broccoli's supposed to be.
What, crunchy?
A nice crunchiness to it. These potatoes are good.
First time trying these, right?
Let me tell you guys a secret.
Tell them. I heard that secret for them.
I didn't cook none of this today.
Yeah, I thought she did. I know y'all saying, damn, first day that chicken look good. But we ain't gonna lie to y'all. If we didn't cook, we didn't cook it. But I knew first day was gonna say it right now, so I was just giving us a tag.
Yeah.
Where we got it from first day?
Everything was from Sam's. Sometimes you try to make a weekday meal, you just don't have time to cook. And because, remember, we told you guys we're doing stuff in the house, and today we couldn't use the stove, and I wanted some rotisserie chicken, and because I didn't learn how to use my
First, they don't know use the air fryer yet.
I don't know how to use my air fryer yet. I gotta read up on it and test it out because I want to make some good up food up in there. You understand?
And first, they got a good one too, family. She got the top-notch joint, son. And she a rookie, B.
So
Yeah. Real talk. She a rookie and she got a top-notch one.
I said, I'm gonna go to Sam's and get a rotisserie chicken. Some
Cheap and
potatoes. And some broccoli. Chicken was $5. Potatoes was $3.98. Broccoli was $3.98. $12 meal.
Yep.
Woo, hot man.
But look, good explanation. But they thought they like, damn, that chicken look like it's a good rotisserie. I'm sorry, family. We ain't cook this one. Still running around.
We will not come on here with something that we didn't cook.
Exactly.
And say we cooked it.
True facts.
This meal, so good.
The sauce still hitting.
Really? See how cheesy it is? So much cheese.
Nice, man. Sauce nice.
I was gonna get mashed potatoes, but I was like, ooh, these look so good.
Yeah, and for our first shit, don't do that again. Y'all saw that? What happened? Y'all don't laugh at me in the comments.
Yesterday?
Yes.
With
Don't
the rice?
laugh. Yes, don't laugh at me in the comments. No, beard. Sorry, family. I tend to put on the beard guard today.
No.
Cause I wasn't supposed to eat this.
This one, this one is not so messy. And the sauce, yum. Oh my. Let me see how it tastes with the sauce.
Nice.
That was good. Woo.
Them broccoli.
Woo.
It's crunchy.
Hot. Broccoli is crunchy. As I don't know what.
I get a piece of chicken already. I gave the whole piece of chicken already, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
And the thing about it too, sometimes it's cheaper to just buy a rotisserie chicken from the store. Okay.
Erica Badu.
It's
Is it Erica Badu, no? Where is it? Erica Badu.
Y'all going for something tonight?
Something can't go on?
No. It's too bad.
I'm tired anyway. I want to sleep.
You don't have to do nothing. I do all the work.
I just sleep. Like a baby. Yeah, the first lady fresh. A little fresh mouth. You see, I'm out a little bit and she full of freshness.
But I don't understand. Oh yeah.
You buy chicken. Cool.
You're gonna turn around and buy a chicken for $5. Then you gotta come home and you gotta season it. And you gotta bake it. Sure, same butter.
Yeah. But if the kitchen was up and running, we'd do it.
Yes. But it's quick and easy. And I'm gonna show you guys another recipe next week that you can make with rotisserie chicken.
Yep.
From Sam's, Costco, Publix, Walmart, Winn-Dixie, wherever they sell rotisserie chicken.
Yeah. Matter of fact, where y'all buy your rotisserie chicken at if y'all do?
Yeah.
For real. Let us know. I want to know.
I'm afraid of the sauce now.
Sauce. What sauce? 2 times?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you say you like Sam's? Oh. Winn-Dixie too? Winn-Dixie has chicken? Wow. Okay.
Winn-Dixie's wings are really good.
Yeah?
Remember how I brought it one time?
Alright, I got 2 of them joints up. And actually, where you got them?
Winn-Dixie. That's my first time trying Winn-Dixie wings. They had so much flavors too, remember?
Bad.
Bad.
But yeah, Sam's chicken is a go. I like it. I like it. It's good.
I went to the guy just took out a whole bunch of them out of the oven.
Yeah?
I said, wow.
You know you was coming.
Are they gonna all sell by the end of the night? Like, yep.
For real?
I said, these people be waiting for them.
Wow.
I said, wow, get some one of them.
You have napkin already? One more?
A little bit. Thank you.
Family. I start eating now, my eyes stop. Look like it want to stop burning me now.
It's burning you?
No, it stopped. Because I'm eating.
Your eyes said, wait a minute now. We got to focus on the food.
My eye was hungry for real. Wow.
When you eat with one hand, it always impresses me.
That's what greedy people do.
Look at the skin. Nope. Ain't catching me. Got me messed up. Almost caught me one time before.
Yeah? Let me see it. I'll take him.
You ain't catch me again, huh?
Oh, chicken nice.
Wow.
Chicken done?
There's a piece of breast left.
Oh.
Like a half of it.
Wow. Good. I know you be buying Sam chicken too, so don't fret. Like we don't even buy Sam chicken. You know what I mean? I know you be buying Sam chicken, family.
So easy.
But excuse me, wow. See, they told us now. They said yes, greed family. We do buy the chicken sometimes.
From Sand?
That's right. If we make it, we're gonna tell you. But it's time to make. First, they make the chicken all the time. Remember that our old rotisserie broke. Our old one broke.
Man, we had that rotisserie for probably 7 to 8 years.
Nice little one.
And those kids used it.
For
It was
everything.
worth every penny. They used it for everything. Everything.
Yep. So first, it just got upgraded.
Why not use both of you?
I want you to one on my youth. Love me, I love my youth.
You think y'all struggle?
I'm not strong. Chicken. I forget a piece of chicken. First, I upgrade a thing.
You know, I thought Sasha was in here.
First, you upgrade a thing to an air fryer now.
Come on.
Yeah, chat you up.
No, stop.
She don't even know how to use it.
Not yet. What should I make first in there though? I'm thinking wings.
What we should make first in the air fryer, family? Tell us. Or first, you have to go Google it. Let us know what y'all want us to make first in there. Alright? Our chicken done now?
Wow. You're hungry, bud.
Who's hungry?
You.
I'm always hungry, girl. No, you say you're not hungry. First, she hungry, my youth, and she's not done yet.
I said I'm hungry. I still take my time. One thing I don't want to do is choke.
You're not choke on chicken, my youth. Choke on fish. I thought that was in there just now.
That's what I'm telling you. That's what I said.
Oh, yeah.
My 2 times spicy sauce tastes so good on chicken. So good.
No
It's
cap.
strong.
This was good. It was worth it.
Ooh.
Well, you want me to help you? Oh, you good?
Ooh.
No, you don't want me yummy. You don't want no more potato, huh? I could tell.
Potato is fulfilling.
I could tell she don't want no more potato.
But
And
it's
it's
good.
cheesy though.
It's very good.
You eat it by itself. Oh, excuse me.
You guys know, potato, you don't need that much. Because it goes a long way.
This is good though. Did you ever try this potato cheesy thing with first that they got?
What the hell are you saying?
What's it called?
What come on know?
You got it from Sam too? So she got all that from Sam. So check it out.
From Sam's.
Go check it out. And get this potato thing. If you didn't get this before, this potato stuff, comment down, let us know. It's our first time eating it. It's a go.
It's a go.
Yeah.
They sell it at Costco too. They just have, it's not the same brand, but it's the same thing.
Birthday fever, Erica Badu. You're rapid. I ain't gonna lie. They sell, Sam don't sell fried chicken wings.
No, they sell ribs. The guy
Beef?
said, no. The guy said, oh. Remember I told you the guy just took out the chicken. So he said, oh, I have ribs coming out now too.
Word?
I said, can't get it. My husband don't yam pork. He said, why? You know something I know?
Tell me some rasta mayo. Fashion rust.
You know something I know?
I'm a fashion rust. All I do for the style, son. Oh, your potatoes are still so warm. Mine so cold.
Really? Huh. My mother would tell you different.
What?
My mother said even when I was a kid, she couldn't eat after me because my food was always cold. Because I take so long to eat.
Oh, your food is, the potatoes warm. Take long to eat, man.
Sasha.
Oh my god. That dog be having her own food. Yeah, I don't want her own food, she want our own food.
Stop.
Yeah, be quiet. Listen to her. Oh, she not.
She ain't gonna do it. She know we put her on the spot. You think that she's you think that she an idiot?
We got a Jamaican dog.
This was good.
This is awesome. Wow.
Yeah, I didn't hear that. That was Richie. That was Richie.
You didn't have no cheese on your potato.
I did.
Where is it?
Damn it.
Are you scraping it off? I ain't let me sow some potato. That's what I said with it. Ain't no cheese.
And cheese was really good.
I don't know more potato.
It's a lot. Yeah.
That was awesome. I ain't gonna lie.
Woo.
I deserve it at Rotisserie. I sure did. We appreciate y'all coming through again, you know. Likewise, you know, family. Appreciate that. I hope you're having a good week. You know what I'm saying? Good weekend, you know. It's coming up to the New Year's, you know.
Woo.
Stay safe. Yeah, I can't go anywhere for New Year's anyway because y'all gotta be in the house, y'all got quarantine. But we share with y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are Erica Badu.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of you. I thought you said you don't know potato.
Been gone a long time, man.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Been gone a long time.